If you want more clarity, mental growth, relaxation and happiness, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss our future videos. Top 3 anti-aging essential oils. Essential oils can be used for cleaning products, relaxation, or just to provide pleasant scents. But did you know they can also be used for anti-aging? Some oils can provide anti-aging benefits through more than just their smell. Here are the top 4 essential oils to add to your anti-aging arsenal. Number 1. Frankincense. This essential oil can reduce age spots and other pigmentation issues that come along with age. It can also reduce the look of pores and increase skin firmness, the loss of which is a common complaint of aging. Frankincense should be mixed with a carrier oil like jojoba oil before being used topically. Number 2. Pomegranate seed oil. This oil has a lengthy history of uses and benefits. The bioflavonoids that give this oil its deep red colour can even protect your skin from sun damage as it heals. You shouldn't rely solely on an oil for sun protection, but it may be helpful to add to your existing products. Think of this essential oil as the concentrated form of its delicious fruit. Number 3. Lavender. Lavender essential oil may seem like an all-purpose oil, and that's because it is. Acne, burns, cuts, aging, it can help with almost any topical condition as long as your skin isn't sensitive to it. The antioxidants that this oil may help your body produce are essential in fighting free radical damage as well. It can also treat pigmentation issues, especially if mixed with frankincense oil as mentioned above. Aging brings along more than just grandkids and retirement. It can also bring along physical effects none of us want, like wrinkles and age spots. These simple essential oils may help combat the effect aging has on our skin. All natural and pleasantly scented essential oils may give you a break from the pharmaceutical and chemical markets that fight for your money. These 3 essential oils also have benefits in their scent, making them truly multi-purpose and worth your time.